6 pounds of TSA confiscated pocket knives and utility multi-tools. That is what the description said. I paid $45 without shipping. Let's see if this is truly TSA confiscated knives. Let's get right into it. Oh boy, I see a lot of junk right off the top. So let's see what we're going to start off with. Right here, a junkie. This is definitely a China knife. You see these everywhere. I see these at yard sales all over the place. So that's that. Let's see where I'm going to put this so you can see some more what I'm doing here. I'm just going to put a pile of junkers over here and what I want here. So let's do this. Ready? Yeah, right there. That's it. Hey, look at this. Yeah, this thing's broken. It's all flimsy. It's just a cheap little unit. That is looking like a Victorinox. Let's see. Oh, they got me. They tricked me with the writing. China. It goes there. Another one. Let's see what this one says. China as well. Man, oh boy. I thought these were going to be Victorinox. Yep, China as well. Another one. China. Wow. Sneaky seller. I tell you that much. China. It's looking like a China one too. Man, these are all Chinese knives. Another Chinese knife. I hear something. Let me pause. And of course, now I have this guy making all kinds of ruckus. Alright, still noisy in here, but it is what it is. I want to get this over with because I have some other things to do. I'm looking at this. I'm not even liking this. This guy was a sneaky son of a bee. Okay, another knife here. That's interesting, huh? A little broken here. I bet you it's China. Yep, shout out to China. Another little knife here. Want to be, you know what? It's Chinese made, but you know what? It's actually pretty solid. Man, this thing feels pretty decent. Another advertising here. And of course another one. Let's go with the bigger ones here. There's going to be a China knife as well. I can spot these a mile away. Unfortunately, I can't get to the main blade without lifting up that. And big letters right there. China. Yeah, that's horrible. Horrible. China. I don't even have to open these up. You know, I can already feel what they are. There you go, a little something different, but I bet you it's China. It's not stamped China, but at least it feels decent. This definitely looks like somebody brought it into the airport. Oh yeah, you see these everywhere. Junkies. Another one. Yeah, this one of those wannabe Victorinox. China. Another one. And another one. Hey, look at this. This guy had his name written on here. Rocky. Hey, shout out to Rocky. I have your knife, buddy. Hit me up and I'll ship it back out to you anytime you want. It's here. Another one. LLC Wholesale Supply. Where is that? Tempe, Arizona. You know, this doesn't feel too bad though. For what it is, cheapy. It's junk. Another one here. Junk. Hey, look at this. Clears. And it says Diva. Yeah, maybe I should give this to my dog. Yeah, I might do that. And it's China, but you know what? There we go. That might be for the dog. Another cheapie. Cheapie. Getting a little better, but still the Chinese one, just like the other one I showed you. Another one here, same crap. Same deal. This one, horrible. Look at that. Oh my god. quality's horrible. Junk. Junk. Another junkie. Ooh, this one's really bad. Look at this. This is soft steel. I can bend this. Look at this. Look at this thing. Holy moly. This thing is... Look at this. I'm going to bend this. Look at this. There you go. That's how cheap it is. Right? Want to see another tool? Look at the scissors. Right? I'll break that damn thing. Yeah? Another tool here. Yeah. That's what I think of that. Junk. 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 So far, I'm going to say, don't ever buy these TSA lots. They are not what they try to be. A little fake emblem, you could tell already by the quality. It's not Victorinox. Neither is that. Neither is that. Man, I was hoping at least one. Did I mess this one up, huh? Now I know that if I see advertising, they still put advertising in China knives. I didn't know that. I thought advertising was only on Victorinox, but man, I was dead wrong. But you know what? It's a $40-something experience. And now I learn. Look at that junk. Don't get me wrong, the pile is still that way. There's only one here. And a broken blade. Wow. Straight up junk. Look at this. At least they put something that's worth something. Eddie Bauer. But what's it to say China? Yeah, it doesn't say it, but I guarantee you it is. That's junk. So what do I do with all this? Do I just toss it in the trash, or do I keep pulling the same scam everybody's doing online and keep reselling this? You know how many times that this has gone in circles here? This has been going around in circles. How many times, right? How many times has this gone in circles around the country, right? That people, they don't want to lose their money. They're like, you know what? I'll just do it to the next guy. You know, I can easily do that. I can just put this into a nice package, you know? Do it like what they did. Put some of these in the right angles, you know? Something like that. See, it looks like you're getting a Victorinox, right? And then yeah, like this one. Look at that one. That's convincing, that one. You know? You take a picture right there, bam. Well, that's what I think about this whole lot. Right there. That finger in the middle, right there. So, with that being said, £6, not worth the price. This is all junk. Not even one damn good knife. Other than the one that I'm carrying. This is a great knife. 154 CM steel. Stone washed. Warren Cliff design. G10 scales. Titanium pocket clip. It rides on bearings. I did a few modifications to it. And she's smooth. You know what? I don't like China knives, but this one here, they made it. They designed and made this knife very well. Help me out here. If you could, you see the damage that I took with this video. If you can like, comment, subscribe, maybe. That would help. Thank you. Take care.